Hey guys, how's it going? Splatterhausen here. Anyway, still, I'm a big fan of Badlands Chugs. I hope you guys are too. And this just showed up around the city I live in, and it is Mountain Dew Major Melon Zero. Never had it before. Love watermelon stuff, especially sour watermelon. I know this isn't sour. And since it's Mountain Dew Zero, I will more than likely be inclined, because I don't really do soda. I don't like doing soda, but I love the zero stuff that they have, and I don't drink much of that too. So I'm going to do a quick little taste test of this, and then I'm going to chug it, just in honor of Badlands Chugs. So, pop it open. Fridge cold, as he would say. There we go. So it has a hint of watermelon smell to it, so take a sip. Oh, it's kind of like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Love it. Okay, so as Badlands Chugs would say, don't touch that mouse, or since you're probably watching on the phone, don't touch that screen. I'm going to see what I can do about chugging this real quick, okay? 3, 2, 1, cheers. Do the exhale. Whoops. Had a bit of a hiccup. Even though I was trying to drink that as fast as possible, that was delicious. So I would definitely suggest Major Melon, especially Major Melon Zero. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this. I also try to smash a bunch of turkey dinner, whatever they're called, turkey dinner candies, candy corns. I have a bag of sour candy corn I'm going to be eating soon. And I also do a chug where I chug about 80 ounces of applesauce. So until next time, peace.